Okay, hello everyone. Let's see. Trying out a new set of gear here, a little Osmo Pocket. Welcome friends. It's time for another rambling video where I pretend to know what I'm doing about photography. So, I have a drone like everyone, but I'm the world's worst drone pilot. And every time I fly my drone, I crash it, just every single time. So I've learned how to do a few repairs here and there, but I've got a new one today. So the last time I flew my drone, one of the LED lenses came off. So I ordered an LED lens, and that came in the mail. So let's open the package up and see what's going on with it. Give it a whirl and see what happens. Hopefully we'll be able to repair the little drone. It's a DJI Spark. Yeah, the little the first generation small drone that they came out with. So I'm going to set you guys down on the table here and reframe the shot, and let's see what happens. All right, so let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. World's dullest knife at work. There we go. Ordered these on eBay, so they're not really anything special. Looks like it's just a lens that you twist on, twist off. So let's get the drone out and see what it does. See what it looks like. Okay, so on the drone, you can see right there, that one's broke off. The others are okay, that one's off. Crashed it into some lakeside stuff, or creek or something, who knows. Okay, so this has some clips. So I think you just take the little doodad, and I don't know, do they lock? I think they just clip on. So I think you just take it and down you go. Problem solved. Easy as a pie. Easy as pie. I would suggest getting some of these if you have one of these drones. They're not that expensive. It was like $5 shipped, maybe off eBay. But easy fix. Keeps your drone looking good and balanced. So I'm sure that's the big difference is if I'd left that off, it would have been balanced. It probably would have flown crooked or something like that. But at any rate, there we go. Our little buddy's all put back together again and whole. He's a whole drone now, so I'll have to take him out and fly him sometime and insert some video of a flight into my next little project. So I hope you found that enjoyable and at least interesting. And if you didn't, it's okay too. So you know what to do. Click like, subscribe, all those good things, or dislike, comment below, whatever. It's not really that big a deal. At any rate, thanks for watching. Bye for now.